Let's get in Nimesh to tell us how is he reading the street chatter. Nimesh, what's the feedback you've got today?
Well, Nigel, a decent recovery from the intraday lows, but still under pressure. I guess largely it's to do with the geopolitical risk that people are talking about. From a flow perspective, it's not a bad day. I mean, it's not. I've not heard very large FIs selling, so to speak. So, what the sense I'm getting is, especially in the broader markets, the first couple of hours saw a bit of unwinding of retail long position. So that added pressure to the mid and small cap indices. That seems to have been played out in the first half. So even that, to a larger extent is done with. I guess, we need to see the technical levels of 23,800. I've been saying for a while now that will now act as a very strong support on the downside. Today, if you see exactly from those levels, market recovered. So again, it's an indication that maybe on the downside, 23,800 is a level to watch out for. As I said, there is not big selling, so to speak. But the broader markets have a little underperformed. And as I explained, that underperformance largely because of unwinding of retail positions in the F&O market.
Well, that's right. Nimesh, the Nifty Bank as well, after leading for the last 1 month or so, this week actually it's underperformed in comparison to the other indices. And the RSI as well had perked up above 75. So we'll have to keep an eye out on that. But what about individual stocks? Sorry, Pigam?
Okay, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is Tata Power. It's under pressure today, but for the last couple of days, I'm getting a sense that a couple of domestic mutual funds and a leading HNI investor has been aggressively buying into Tata Power. So that's the first stock. Second stock is CDSL. Again, stock is under pressure today on the lines of overall pressure. But I understand a very large long-only fund has been accumulating CDSL at these levels. So that's the second name. The third stock is Varun Beverages. Under pressure for the last few days. And even in today's market, I understand there are very strong sell flows. So expect high delivery volumes on the sell side in Varun Beverages. And the last one is HPCL. Among the OMCs, this is one stock which has actually recovered from the intraday lows. There is a bit of buying as well, is what I understand. And also for HPCL and for all OMCs, apart from the earnings, I guess watch out for any sorts of clarity on the LPG subsidy. That could be a big trigger for the OMCs in the very near future.
Thank you, Nimesh, always for that list.